Hello everyone, we are back today to share with you more about NX5 and its features. Manufacturers have been increasing measurement and analysis of their products to ensure it meets their specifications. Many of these processes involve high labor due to the complexity of the products. I'll be sharing how NX5 can conquer these challenges. Due to the complex shape of products these days, high precision measurement with servo and sensor needs to be synchronized. This can be achieved using NX5, high-speed cycle, and synchronized control of motion and sensor measurement. This demo shows a high-precision sensor, the ZW, used to measure the height of the object. All the measurements are sent to the database server in the PC. Usually, after the sensor completes the measurement, it will wait for quality department for analysis. This waiting period can potentially decrease productivity and lead to higher labor costs. With NX5, once the sensor's measurement is finished, NX5 triggers the execution of a Python program within the SQL server, initiating the analysis process. As a result, the test results are readily accessible. This solution automates measurement to analysis process without any human interaction. It increases productivity and minimizes human error. That's everything I have to share for today. I look forward to seeing you in the next installment of Get to Know NX5. Bye!